Welcome to the Golden Minute. In Genesis 27:5 to 10, we see an interesting incident. Esau, the firstborn, receives a command from the father, goes to hunt game meat, cook in a tasty way, bring it to the father, and receive the blessings. But this discussion was overheard by Rebekah, the mother. She calls Jacob, the youngest, and tells him, "Just obey my voice. Go and get 2 sheep kids, which are very nice. I will cook it the way your father loves. You take it and get blessing from your father." Jacob was afraid. He asked his mother, "If my father finds me out, because I'm not a hairy man like my brother." She gave an idea saying, "You can cover yourself with a fur." So he listened to what Rebekah said, and finally, who received the blessing? It's not Esau who worked on his own strength. It is Jacob who depended upon just obeying the voice. Even in our lives, we might try to do a lot of things, and finally we want to secure the blessings. It doesn't work that way. Esau did not receive the blessings. You know why? Though he wanted to receive the blessing, he did things which was hurtful to the heart of Isaac and Rebekah, which you can read in Genesis 26, the last verse. But Jacob was dwelling in tents. He was living a heart that was touching the heart of Isaac and Rebekah. I want to tell you today, all we need to do is do things pleasing the heart of God throughout this day. Always let your heart say, "Lord, I want to please your heart. I want to do just what you want to say." And I tell you, you need not go in search of blessings. Blessings will come in search of you. He will guide you as you obey His voice step by step. You will definitely see the blessings of God invade your life. Double blessings. Have a blessed day.